Hey, it's Shubomi from Parliament Leads, and in this video, I will walk you through how outreach teams manage prospect responses inside Ulink to ensure no leads are missed. So, when running LinkedIn campaigns, prospects will reply with different types of messages. Some can actually be interested, others might not be interested, and some can ask questions for further clarity. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the active campaign. So like this is just for demo and I won't be using real data to do it to explain this. So what we'll do is to navigate to the Ulink inbox first. So this is where the replies from prospect appears once they respond to a campaign message. So the first step, let's say Felicity Uche says, replied or sent you a response to your outreach. What you're going to do is you click on the profile right here, it takes you to the direct chat and hop right here. Like this place is where you're going to see the prospect response and your outreach is going to be below the prospect response, even if you sent that first, obviously. So that's just like the template, the format on the direct chat. The response of the prospect, then your own responses. So if Felicity Uche also replied, like instead of showing this old connect, it's gonna show replied. Yeah, so you click on it and you do. So like there are different types of like responses you might get from each prospect. Some might actually be interested. Like for example, if they're interested, they can say this look interesting. Can you send more details? Or if they're like very curious and they're asking questions, they'll just be like, how does this work? Or if they're not interested or whatever the response may be. So make sure you prompt ChatGPT properly to draft a structured response. Yeah, so the prompts I always use is, let's say for example, you say I'm working for Pro Lemon Properties and I sent this kind of outreach to this kind of prospect, and this is the kind of response I got. Can you draft a well structured message to send to this kind of prospect, like a professional message? And it just prompts ChatGPT in a very good way, and it gives you varieties of responses. So what you're gonna do is just pick one out of everything, then you paraphrase, then you come here, you type whatever the message is, and you press send. Yeah. So, regardless of whatever response you might get, it is very pertinent for you to document prospect replies for internal tracking. Maybe, okay, let's say for example, if you got a positive response, you make sure you document that the prospect name, the kind of response, blah, and just make sure you document everything. Yeah. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.